Right this moment, while your eyes are on this screen, a silent construction crew is patching the microscopic damage inside your mouth. Not a fairy tale, not a future medical breakthrough. This is biology in action, happening now, using the raw materials floating in your spit. Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle. I'm diving deep into the fascinating reality of enamel restoration. You'll discover precisely how this process works, the 3 common daily habits that shut it down completely, and a clear, 4-point strategy you can use tonight to help your teeth repair early-stage harm. And before you assume this is just another wellness trend, know that every single mechanism we discuss is anchored in hard dental research. Let's begin. To grasp how a tooth mends, we must first understand the mechanism of its destruction. Your enamel is a biological marvel. It's comprised of 96% mineral content, primarily a crystalline structure. Known as hydroxyapatite, think of it as interlocking bars of calcium and phosphate forming an impenetrable fortress wall. The remaining fraction is simply water and trace proteins. Now, the drama unfolds when the oral environment turns hostile. The moment acidity levels in your mouth cross a threshold of pH 5.5, a chemical heist begins. Those sturdy mineral bars aren't just sitting idly. They are ripped from the fortress and dissolved into the surrounding liquid. It's akin to watching acid rain slowly erode the face of a limestone statue. Where does this destructive acidity originate? 2 primary culprits exist. First, external consumption. Citrus fruits, sparkling beverages, and even that morning kombucha introduce a direct acid assault. Second, and more insidious, the invisible metropolis of bacteria residing on your gums and tongue. These microbes feast on carbohydrates and starches. Their digestive byproduct? Pure acid, excreted directly onto your enamel. So the villain isn't always the sweetener itself, but the corrosive waste left behind. The outcome is identical. Mineral depletion leaves tiny voids, and that's where decay plants its flag. But here is the revelation you came for. This is not a one-way street to the dentist's drill. Your body possesses a counteroffensive system. Have you ever wondered why some people seem immune to cavities despite mediocre hygiene? Step 1 requires you to stop the constant acidic siege. After you take a bite or a sip, your oral pH plummets. Your salivary glands then work overtime to buffer the acid and restore a neutral state. Yet, full recovery demands between 30 and 60 minutes of peace. If you're the type to nurse a coffee cup for 3 hours straight, your mouth never exits the danger zone. You're essentially marinating your teeth in a corrosive bath all morning. Step 2 focuses on equipping your saliva with the proper ammunition for the counterstrike. Saliva is merely the transport truck. Without vitamin D3 acting as a signal officer, calcium wanders the body with no clear direction. And vitamin K2 plays the role of escort, ensuring those minerals are deposited into rigid structures, your skeleton and enamel, rather than settling in arteries or soft organs. This brings us to a quiet upheaval in modern oral care. You've grown up hearing that fluoride is the guardian of your smile. Fluoride works by hardening the remaining structure that hasn't yet eroded. Hydroxyapatite paste, however, uses an identical blueprint to your own teeth. You're not just protecting. You're actually replenishing the missing lattice work. As you brush, you're laying down new mineral bricks exactly where acid removed them. That is the difference between surface hardening and true biological rebuilding. Steps 3 and 4 complete the framework. Manage the microbial population and adopt a diet that serves your skeleton. Oral biofilm regenerates rapidly, roughly every 2 to 3 hours. Focus on mineral-dense choices, aged cheeses, dark leafy vegetables, crunchy nuts, and fish with the spine intact. These items naturally infuse your saliva with the calcium and phosphate needed for round-the-clock maintenance. The earliest warning sign of a brewing cavity is a white, frosty patch known as a lesion. At this phase, it is a reversible situation. So here is the recap. 1. Neutralize the acid attack and give saliva time to act. 2. Feed your body D3 and K2 to manage the logistics. 3. Use a hydroxyapatite formula to replace what was lost. 4. Manage your diet and oral ecology. Your mouth is a healing machine, not a decaying one. You hold far more influence over your dental destiny than you've been led to believe. Your body's repair mechanism is always on standby. If you found this insight valuable, hit that like button for Healthy Lifestyle and consider subscribing. We're just getting started.